wanted to figure out how Andromeda was moving through space. So in order to do that, we measured the location of the Andromeda stars relative to the background galaxies. In 2002, they were in one place, and in 2010, they were in a slightly different place. And that allowed us to measure the motion over a period of 8 years.
The reason we think that our solar system will not be much affected by this collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is that galaxies are actually mostly empty space. Even though our galaxy, as well as the Andromeda galaxy, has 100 billion stars in it, they're very far apart. So if two galaxies actually collide with each other, the stars basically pass right between each other. And the chance of two stars directly hitting each other is really, really small. So the likelihood that our solar system will be directly impacted by another star, for example in Andromeda, as we collide with it, is really, really small.